If you guys want to see me review the Aliza Naturals 3-in-1 cleansing paper, keep it locked.
Subscribe. You know you want to. Subscribe.
So today is like my 2-week checkup after using the Aliza Naturals cleansing paper for about 2 weeks or so. And now I think I can give you guys an honest review on what I really think about the product. Now, when I initially used it, it worked pretty well. And I've been using it for a while and it has been working really good. I'll definitely recommend anyone to buy this product. It works well. But what you're gonna do is, you're not just gonna apply the cleansing paper water. You're not just gonna wash off the makeup off your face, right? You're gonna have to remove your makeup with your baby wipes or your makeup remover wipes first. Then you're gonna wash your face off with some water. You're gonna take the paper and work it up to a good lather, apply it to your face and rub it in, right? Make sure you rub, ducky, you're the one. Stuff into your face and make sure you get as much dirt as you can off of it and then wash it off. Now what I do after I do a facial cleanse or liquid facial cleanse, I still follow up with a cream facial cleanse, so whatever didn't come off will come off, right, with the cream cleanse. And what I notice is I'm not really getting much stuff off. When I do get stuff off, it's from my hairline and places that I didn't necessarily wash with the cleansing paper. So it works pretty well. But I can tell you one thing. If you're gonna just try to remove your makeup, your full beaten face like this with a cleansing paper, really? You can't even do that with your regular cleanser, your liquid cleanser. So like, no, don't do that. But this has been my 2-week update and I really love how it's working and I will recommend it to anyone. I have a link to the Aliza Naturals in my description section, so feel free to check it out. If it worked for you, let me know in the comment section. If it did not work for you, then also let me know in the comment section why it didn't work and maybe I could assist. Thank you all so much for tuning in again. Trinity Mom Beauty is out, guys. Bye!